Technology is changing rapidly. Artificial intelligence is becoming more advanced. We can now interact with machines in ways we never imagined. Imagine having a conversation with a computer that understands your emotions. This is the promise of AI companions. AI companions are designed to simulate human interaction. They can learn your preferences and provide personalized responses. For some, this raises an intriguing question. Can AI replace human connection? It's a complex issue with no easy answers. While AI can mimic human conversation, it lacks the depth of genuine human connection. Human relationships are built on shared experiences, empathy, and vulnerability. These are qualities that AI, at least for now, cannot fully replicate. Loneliness is a growing epidemic in our increasingly connected world. Many people struggle with feelings of isolation and disconnection. AI companions offer a potential solution, providing a sense of companionship for those who feel alone. Imagine having an AI companion that is always there to listen. It could engage in conversations, play games, or simply provide a comforting presence. For elderly individuals living alone or those struggling with social anxiety, AI companions could offer a lifeline to the outside world. However, it's important to remember that AI companionship is not a substitute for human interaction. While AI can provide a temporary reprieve from loneliness, it's crucial to nurture real-life relationships and seek human connection. Mental health is just as important as physical health. Yet, seeking help for mental health issues can be stigmatized and challenging. AI has the potential to revolutionize mental health care by providing readily accessible emotional support. Imagine confiding in an AI therapist without fear of judgment. AI-powered mental health apps can track your mood, provide coping mechanisms, and even offer personalized therapy sessions. This could be particularly beneficial for individuals who may not have access to traditional therapy or feel uncomfortable sharing their feelings with another person. However, it's crucial to approach AI-powered mental health tools with caution. While they can be helpful supplements, they should not replace professional help when needed. It's essential to consult with qualified mental health professionals for serious concerns. Section 4. Tailored relationships. The allure of personalized AI connections. We live in a world of